Hello, welcome to Primo Auto. A lot of new engineers jump into ESP32 projects without even understanding which board is right for what. So let's make this clear once and for all. The ESP32-S3, the ESP32-C3, and the C3 Mini are not the same thing. They all solve different problems. Let's start with the ESP32-S3. Think of this one as the smart, powerful version. AI-capable, faster processor, more memory, and hardware acceleration for machine learning tasks. It also supports USB OTG and works best with camera modules. On the S3, you get more GPIO pins, which means you can connect more things at the same time. Sensors, relays, LCDs, buzzers. You also get dedicated ADC pins for analog sensors like temperature and voltage reading, PWM pins for dimming LEDs or driving motors, and UART I2C SPI lines for talking to modules like NFC, fingerprint sensors, and displays. If you want face detection doors, gesture-based switches, camera-based monitoring, or smart automation decisions without a cloud server, you start here. This is the board for smart homes, industrial dashboards, AI-powered gates, and wireless video systems. Now the ESP32-C3. This board is the opposite. It is not made for heavy thinking. It is built for low-power IoT. Cheap, efficient, simple. Perfect when something needs to run on a battery for weeks or months. The C3 still has Wi-Fi plus BLE, and it still has GPIO pins, just fewer. It has limited ADC pins, enough for basic reading like temperature or soil moisture sensors, a few PWM pins for small drivers, and UART I2C for one or two modules. So think smart plugs, motion alerts, farming nodes, Wi-Fi door alarms, power usage counters. Anything that doesn't need a camera or AI, the C3 is your low-cost worker. Then the ESP32-C3 Mini, same brain as the C3, but tiny. This is meant for tight spaces, like putting electronics inside a power socket, inside a wrist wearable, inside a wall. But because the board is small, even fewer pins are exposed. That means one sensor, one relay, one module. Keep it simple. If you need more than 2 to 3 connections, this is not the board. Its power is small size and cheap cost, not flexibility. Let's make it brutally clear. If you need brain power, choose S3. If you need battery-friendly, silent IoT deployment, choose C3. If you need tiny footprint for embedded products, choose C3 Mini. Most engineers struggle because they pick boards randomly, instead of respecting what the project demands. A smart system is not built by showing off. It's built by choosing the correct tool so it works 24/7 without crashing. So before your next project, ask yourself, do I need something that thinks or something that survives quietly? Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.